Hey guys, welcome to my channel Technologist 24 by 7. In this video I will show you that how to download latest version of Windows 10. Yes, official Windows 10. So guys, before starting I request you to please subscribe to my channel and press bell icon button to receive my upcoming videos. So guys, let's start. Open Google and type download Windows and go to the official website of Microsoft Windows. I will also put this URL in the description of this video. So guys, you can see this is Microsoft official website from where we will download tool. Now click on download tool now. Okay, let's download it. Okay, start download. Its size is 18 MB. So guys, now we are downloading our tool through which we will download our Windows 10. So it has been downloaded. Now I will open it, right click on it and then open and then click on yes. It has been started. Wait, it will take time. Getting a few things ready. Keep in mind that we are saving this file to our local computer's hard disk, then we can install Windows whenever we want. If any issue arises in our Windows, then we can reinstall it. So guys, here it comes. He's asking what do you want to do? Upgrade this PC now or create installation media, USB flash drive, DVD or ISO file for another PC. So guys, I'm clicking create installation media USB flash drive. Click on next. Here you select your language, edition, then architecture. I'm selecting 64-bit. Then click on next. Here is asking choose which media to use, USB flash drive or ISO file. I'm selecting ISO file because it will be saved to my local PC's drive. So guys, clicking on ISO file, this will be saved to my computer. I can again install my Windows whenever I want. So guys, now I'm going to click on next. I'm selecting ISO file. Click on next and save wherever you want to save. I'm giving its name Windows latest version ISO. So I will save it to my desktop. I'm going to this PC, desktop. Now click on save. After clicking on save, it will be saved to my local computer's hard disk. So guys, it has been started and it will take time because it's a large file, about 4 GB, approximately 4 GB. So guys, wait. Keep in mind now this ISO file will be saved to your local PC's hard disk. So guys, wait until it completes. Progress 1%. Because ISO file has been saved to my local computer, whenever I want to reinstall my Windows, then I can select this ISO file and reinstall my Windows. Because it's large file, it's taking time. Progress 2%. I'm going to skip this because it will take long time. So guys, it has been downloaded. Now it's verifying your download. It's again taking time, so wait until it completes. Progress is still 0% because it is taking time. That's why I'm going to skip again. I will cut this session. Verifying your download. So okay guys, wait. Progress 99%. So guys, here we go. Now ISO file has been downloaded to our local computer's hard disk. Desktop, Windows latest version ISO.ISO. This PC desktop, here you can see, and then you can see Windows latest version ISO file. So guys, our Windows has been downloaded. So guys, now whenever we want to install, we can by creating USB bootable using any software we want, like Power ISO or Rufus. I will prefer Rufus because it's easy. I will make another video on Rufus making USB bootable, creating USB bootable. I will paste the URL of that video in this video's description. So guys, now we have downloaded our latest version of Windows 10, and now we can install whenever we want. So guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm trying my best to become better. So guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. I will be very thankful to you. Thanks for watching.